On this video, I'm going to show you a new update I stumbled upon on how you can make up to $4,000 with zero capital from a well-known crypto exchange. And also, I'm going to show you how you can get this done easily to achieve a perfect result. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. And also join my Telegram community to get quick updates and engage with new members. So with that being said, let's move. This update I'm about to share with you is sponsored by Remitano. And if you don't know, Remitano is a well-trusted crypto exchange platform which also enable you to earn money online. And one cool thing is that you don't need to deposit money for this update. Now, to participate on this update, all you just need to do is to have a verified Remitano account. So if you don't have a Remitano account, you just have to use the link below to get started. Now, using the link below to get started will give you an opportunity to earn $100 worth of RENEC token. Another information you need to get about this update is that it has been active since June 20th, 2022. And the registration period is from June 20th to July 31st, 2022. While this program will last till August 20th. So now I'm going to show you how you can be part of this event and also show you all your reward you are going to earn when you partake on this event. So keep watching. So to get started with this update, you need a verified Remitano account, and this should be done between June 20th and July 31st, 2022. Then after that, make sure it is verified up to level 2. On Remitano, there are 5 levels of verification. The first level is your mobile number verification, where you have to verify your phone number, while the second level is to verify your document, which is your ID. And that is the verification level Remitano want your account to be. And the reason why they are doing this is for them to be sure that you are above 18 years. Now, after you are done with the account verification, the next step is to make sure you register on this program, which you can also find the link on the video description below, or you go through the website directly. Now, for you to be part of this Remitano $4,000 prize, you can be part of it as an individual or as a team member. Joining as a team member, Remitano is going to credit your account with free 20 USDT. And the main purpose of you getting this free 20 USDT is to make sure you trade any digital asset on the Remitano exchange. And remember, within this period of asset trading, you will not be able to withdraw the money out from your Remitano account. But you need to use that free 20 USDT that is being given to you to trade any digital asset on this Remitano exchange. And the ways you can trade on this Remitano exchange is by swap trading, peer-to-peer trading, launchpad trading, and also the swing trading. And if you want me to make a detailed video on how to use Remitano exchange, you can also let me know on the comment section below. Now, the main aim of this program is for Remitano to test your knowledge and understanding on crypto investing and crypto trading, and then increase this capital that is being given to you to a given percentage. And the more percentage profit you get from this initial capital, the more reward you will get every single week. Now, joining as a team requires you to have at least 5 members that have a verified Remitano account. But among the 5 members, only one individual is going to fill out the registration form. And with that, you can earn up to 100 USDC per an individual. And remember, all team reward will be shared equally among all 5 members. Now, once you totally understand this Remitano program and you want to join, you just have to scroll down to this section that says register now. Then you click on English, and on this section you'll be asked if you already signed up on Remitano. Then you just have to click on yes. Then it will take you to this section that says what form are you going to fill out for. Then you just got to scroll down, then click on individual. Then input the email address you used to register for Remitano. Then with that, you have automatically joined this $4,000 Remitano contest. Now, moving to the reward you are going to get from this Remitano program. When you sign up as an individual, this is a formula you use to calculate your profit. And within the first week, you can stand a chance to win up to 30 free USDC. And remember, it is calibrated as first prize, second prize, and third prize. So if you fall on second prize, you are going to earn free 20 USDC at the end of the week. And that is for a weekly basis. And by the time you decide to participate as a team member, this is a formula you use to calculate your particular earning. And calculating your total team reward, instead of N1, you just got to put N5 to know the total team reward. And remember, all weekly reward will be shared among team members equally. And by the end of the first week, your team can stand a chance to win 300 USDC, which will be shared among all team members equally. Now, after 2 months of this program, there is going to be a final prize for everyone. But Remitano is going to select top 3 ranking participants and also top 3 ranking teams. And this is a formula to calculate the final individual reward. And with that, you can earn free extra 200 USDC at the end of the period. And also 100 free USDC at second prize and 50 free USDC at third prize. And if you participate as a team member, this is a formula to calculate your total earnings. And at the end of the given period, your team can stand a chance to win free extra 1000 USDC, excluding the previous week earnings. And also free extra 400 USDC as second prize winner. So that is just all the information you need to know. If you're enjoying this content, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. channel for more informative content like this. And also use the comment section for your compliment and questions, and let me know what you think about this update. And also let me know if you want me to make a detailed video on how to use Remitano exchange, and I will do it ASAP. And as you already know, I'm DMO, so thank you for watching and see you on my next video.